It was evening on a long day of teaching, and Jesus was tired. He said to his disciples, "Let's go over to the other side of the lake." So they got into a boat and set sail across the Sea of Galilee. The water was calm at first, and Jesus found a spot at the back of the boat. Suddenly, dark clouds rolled in. The wind began to howl. Waves crashed against the boat, pouring water inside. The boat rocked and swayed.
Want to know how I made animated Bible stories with free AI tools that can go viral and make money with YouTube AdSense? Imagine sharing amazing Bible lessons as beautiful 3D animated videos. These videos not only inspire people, but can also help you earn thousands of dollars every month. That's exactly what some channels are doing, like Bible in a Nutshell. They've pulled in over 18 million views and made more than $45,000 a year. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple way to create high-quality animated Bible stories completely free using AI tools. These stories are not only good for entertainment, but they also help spread positive messages to viewers of all ages. With the help of modern AI tools, you don't need any animation or editing experience to get started. Whether you're just starting out or already have a YouTube channel, this method is easy to follow. I'll also give you 5 easy prompts to make your storytelling super smooth, from writing the story and making images to animation and voiceovers. By the end, you'll be ready to start your own channel and start posting videos that can grow fast and earn money. Let's dive in. Here are the 5 tools we're using. ChatGPT for story writing and prompts, Leonardo AI for creating visuals, Hailuo AI for turning images into animations, 11 Labs for voiceovers, CapCut for final video editing. Step 1. Writing your story with ChatGPT. First, we'll use ChatGPT to come up with the story idea and write the full script. To save your time, I've made 5 simple prompts for you to use right away. These will help you get a complete Bible story in just a few steps. You don't need to be a professional writer for this step. ChatGPT will do most of the heavy lifting for you. Just be sure to read through the results and make small edits to personalize your story if needed. Start by picking a story idea. In the YouTube video description, look for the first prompt under the YouTube prompts section. Copy and paste it into ChatGPT. This will help generate some great story ideas that are based on Bible passages. Each result will give you a title, a lesson, and a short summary. Go through the list and choose the one you like best. I'm choosing the 4th one for this example. Paste that story idea into ChatGPT again, but don't press enter yet. First, grab the second prompt from description and paste under the story idea. This prompt will turn that short idea into a full story that lasts around 1 to 3 minutes. If you're planning a series, try creating a list of 5 to 10 story titles and saving them for future episodes. This will save time and help you plan a consistent content schedule. Once the story is ready, copy it and paste it into Google Docs. This keeps your work organized and makes editing easier later. Now, to keep everything looking the same from start to end, we'll need clear character designs. Use the 3rd prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This will give you detailed descriptions of each character in your story. Put all these character details into a new Google Doc. This step helps a lot when you're working on images and animations later. It saves time and keeps things neat. Make sure to name your Google Docs clearly. For example, Jesus Story Script to stay organized. Because in my case, story character name is Jesus. This becomes very helpful once you start working on multiple projects. Step 2. Making visuals for your story. Next, we'll start making images for each part of the story. Use the 4th prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt will guide ChatGPT to write detailed image prompts for every scene in your story. Make sure your story is broken into small, clear scenes. This helps you get better visuals. Take your story one line at a time. For example, if your first scene says, "It was evening on a long day of teaching, and Jesus was tired," paste that line into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then give you a full description of the scene, who's in it, and a prompt to create the image. If the scene includes a character like Daniel, make sure to also paste his character description into ChatGPT. This helps keep the look of each character the same in every scene. It's an extra step, but it makes a big difference in quality. Do this for every part of the story. Paste the scene line, add character details, and let ChatGPT write the image prompt. This way, all your visuals will have the same style, and your characters won't change appearance halfway through. While you can skip this step, I suggest doing it because sometimes ChatGPT might forget to add the exact details of the character in new prompts now. Let's try another one. Copy the next line and paste it. ChatGPT text box then again. Copy the character details and paste below the storylines. This way, ChatGPT will create detailed image prompt with the exact character description. Repeat this process for all scenes, ensuring that character description stay consistent and accurate throughout the story. Once you've created prompts for each scene, as you can see, we created all image prompts for our story with consistent characters. Now it's time to create images using these prompts. Head over to Leonardo AI. Paste your first image prompt there. Choose the Phoenix 0.9 model and set the style to dynamic. Hit Generate. You'll usually get 4 image options. Choose the one that best matches the scene and character look. If none look right, try changing the prompt slightly and regenerate. Repeat this for every scene until you have all your images ready. Take a moment to zoom in on each image and compare characters. This quick check will help avoid any big differences between scenes. If anything looks off, just update the prompt or generate it again. This step helps your video feel more professional and smooth, without jarring changes in design. Step 3. Animating your images. Now that your images are done, let's turn them into short animations using Halo AI. First, go back to ChatGPT and use the 5th prompt. Paste it into a new tab. Then copy the scene analysis and image prompt you used earlier and paste them into the new ChatGPT tab. ChatGPT will then give you a full animation idea, including what the character should do, camera angles, and background actions. Repeat this step for every scene. Each one should have its own animation prompt. Now, go to Hilo AI. Right now, they offer 1,000 free credits for new users, so it's a good time to start. Click on Create, then select Image to Video. Upload your scene image, paste the animation description, and click Generate. Do this for every scene. If the animation seems too fast or too slow, try adjusting the prompt to mention the timing or motion speed. Adding simple actions like Daniel turns his head or the sun slowly rises makes scenes feel alive without needing too much movement. Try experimenting with different animation settings to see what works best for your story. Some movements look better for action scenes, while others are better for peaceful moments. I love Hilo AI because the animation quality is really good. When you use the right prompts, the result looks smooth and professional. If something looks off, just fix the prompt and try again. Keep notes of what works well in each scene. This will help you improve your process as you create more videos. I suggest you because Halo AI is perfect for animation. You can check out their plans to create even more amazing animations and take your projects to the next level. Step 4. Adding voice and editing the final video. Now it's time to add the voiceover. Open 11 Labs and paste your story script into the text box. Make sure to delete anything that's not part of the actual narration. Next, choose a voice from the library. There are lots to pick from, and they all sound very real. Pick the one that fits your story best, click Use, and then click Generate Speech. Once the voiceover is done, download it. Open CapCut for the final editing. Import all your animated clips and the voiceover. Drag everything into the timeline and arrange the clips to match the voice. You can also add some text at the beginning to catch attention. Go to the text section, choose a template, and customize it to your liking. Make sure the voice and video match. If they don't, you can trim or split the clips to make them fit. Add soft background music. Just make sure it's quiet enough so the voice can be heard clearly. Try using royalty-free music from YouTube Audio Library or Pexels for safe and legal background music. The right music can make a huge emotional impact on your viewers. Use music that matches the mood of your story. Calm music works well for peaceful scenes, and dramatic music helps in intense parts. You can also add smooth transitions between scenes, sound effects like footsteps or wind, and use filters like vignette for a cinematic look. CapCut also has an auto caption button that can add subtitles automatically. Don't forget to watch your full video from start to end before exporting. This helps catch any mistakes you might have missed. Once your video looks perfect, export it. And that's it. You just made a high-quality Bible story video with free AI tools. The best part is, this method works for all kinds of stories, especially for kids' content. If you need help, leave a comment and we'll get back to you. You can also find all the prompts in the video description. If you're serious about growing your channel, remember this. The more you post, the faster you grow. Even if your first videos don't get many views, keep going. Each video helps you get better and reach more people. Let's play the final video.
It was evening on a long day of teaching, and Jesus was tired. He said to his disciples, "Let's go over to the other side of the lake." So they got into a boat and set sail across the Sea of Galilee. The water was calm at first, and Jesus found a spot at the back of the boat. Suddenly, dark clouds rolled in. The wind began to howl. Waves crashed against the boat, pouring water inside. The boat rocked and swayed. The disciples started to panic. This wasn't just a little rain. It was a terrible storm. They tried to bail out the water, but it was no use. They were afraid the boat would sink. And Jesus, he was still sleeping. So they rushed to him and shouted, "Teacher, don't you care if we drown?" Then Jesus stood up. He looked out at the wind and the waves and said, "Peace, be still." The disciples were amazed. They looked at each other and whispered, "Who is this? Even the wind and the waves obey him." Jesus turned to them and asked, "Why are you so afraid? Do you still have no faith?" In that moment, they began to understand, Jesus isn't just a good teacher. He has power over all creation. And just like the disciples learned that night, we can learn too. When life feels stormy and scary, we can trust Jesus. He brings peace even in the middle of the chaos.
Remember, consistency is key. Keep uploading videos like this regularly and success will come. The more you post, the more chances you have to go viral. Stay patient, stay creative, and keep learning. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.